Thank you for buying India's best and safest Panasonic mixer grinder. Through this video, I will show and demonstrate to you the features of the Panasonic mixer grinder and how to use it. Your Panasonic mixer grinder MX-AC210S is available with two jars. Jars available according to the usage: blender jar and chutney jar. The blender jar is a 1.5 litre capacity and the chutney jar is a 400 ml capacity. These jars are made of rust-proof 304 grade Salem stainless steel. All these jars are flow breaker jars. This helps in grinding things easily and quickly. These jars have self-lubricating oil seal protection, which protects the motor from coated seepage and increases the life of your mixer. Is the lid gasket. This is the Japanese designed samurai edge blade. This is the whipping plate. This is the jar coupler. This is the spatula. These are unique electromechanic piano type switches. This helps in switching on and off the mixer and also helps in easy operation. Under the mixer is a circuit breaker switch. The Panasonic mixer grinder is designed for safe and easy use. Since the entire unit is made of fire retardant material, there's no fear of accident. Also included with your mixer grinder is a recipe book, the operation manual, to fix the blade in the jar. Place the blade in the jar like this. Hold the jar coupler like this. And using the spatula, turn the blade anti-clockwise. Place inside the jar what you need to grind and place the lid above the jar like this and press and close firmly. If locked this way, the lock on the lid will move and the lid will lock securely. To open, press this button. This is the unique lid locking system. To fix the jar on the mixer, place the jar on the mixer with this arrow mark on the jar in line with the arrow mark on the mixer and turn clockwise. If this line on the jar and the arrow mark on the mixer are in one line, then the jar will lock securely. This is the unique safety locking system. Only if the lid locks into the jar and the jar into the mixer will your mixer grinder be switched on. If either one of them is not locked correctly, your mixer will not be switched on. This double safety system ensures you do not switch on your mixer accidentally. This makes your kitchen a safe kitchen. To maintain your Panasonic mixer grinder easily, follow these steps. To fix into or remove blade from the jar and to take food out from the jar, use spatula. Chutney jar blade is permanently fixed. Do not try to remove it. Do not run the mixer with an empty jar. When using the mixer, if there is an overload in the jar, will stop the motor. To reset, reduce the contents in the jar by half. Wait for 3 minutes and reset the circuit breaker switch. Do not grind anything that's hot. Do not place the mixer near stoves and other hot surfaces. Do not run the mixer continuously for a long time. If needed, run with 3 minutes gap. Protect the safety pin lock and the bottom of the jar from accumulating dirt. When handling the blade, please be very careful as it is very sharp and strong. Protect the mixer from water. To clean the mixer, use damp cloth or mild detergent. Remove the lid gasket separately and clean it. While fixing it back, make sure the flap seats underneath like this. To clean the jar, pour lukewarm water in the jar and run it for 10 seconds in pulse mode. Wipe the jar and lid with a clean cloth and store it upside down. When there is high or low voltage supply, do not run the mixer as this may damage the motor. To make coconut chutney, put the required ingredients in the chutney jar, filling it to a maximum of half the jar. And run in pulse mode. Now add a little water and run in speed 3 until the mix becomes a smooth paste. To make mint chutney, put the required ingredients in the chutney jar, filling it to a maximum of half the jar. And run it in pulse mode. Now add some water until the mix becomes a smooth paste and run it in speed 3. To make omelets, attach the whipping plate to the blender jar. Break 5 eggs and separate the egg whites and yolk. Add the egg whites to the blender jar. And run in pulse mode or speed 1. Blend until frothy. Then add the egg yolk, and in speed 1, blend for some time. To make milkshakes, use the blender jar with the blending blade. Add all the ingredients to a minimum of the blade's level of the jar. And in speed 3, blend for 2 minutes. Then add ice cream and blend for another 2 minutes. In the same way, delicious fruit and vegetable juices can be made. If there are seeds in the fruits, remove the seeds and then use them. For more recipes, refer to the recipe book. I hope this video presentation is very useful to you. Thank you for watching Panasonic Mixer Grinder demo video.
Panasonic, ideas for life.